Can I get down?
Oh, you're getting contact.
Push can get down.
Yeah, I'm sorry, you're down. Magazine, magazine.
How many Shazams have you got left?
None.
Okay, they've got no more Shazams left. Come on, Lucas needs medicing over here. Come on.
Back in the head. Oh shit.
They've got no more medic lives left.
I've already had buckle BBs left either.
1 minute.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Come on, push, push, push.
Max, say low. Huh?
Come on, guys. Darren needs medicing.
Matt, cover this corner. I'll go that way. I'll cover your 6 over your head.
Yes. Come on.
Well played. Darren's back in the game. Mark's still out over here.
I've got wrist there.
Back down.
I'm hit.
Come on, only one live. He's only.
Come on.
Come on!
It's only Smuz left now. Only Smuz left in there.
Oh, come on. Anyone? Anyone, please?
Anyone?
You're not supposed to say that.
Yeah, you're a dead man. Shut up.
Oh, well taken, Nick.
Right, I'm bleeding out.
No, you're not. Wait a minute.
Oh, really?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Boom. Boom.
End it.